Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing great and staying safe. Welcome back to our channel Treasure Town. If you're watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Your support helps our channel grow and allows us to bring you more amazing coin stories. Friends, have you ever imagined that a small, ordinary-looking coin could completely change someone's life? Believe it or not, there are coins that were once worth only a few cents, ignored and forgotten by most people. But today, those very same coins are valued in thousands, and sometimes even millions of dollars. If you don't know about such coins yet, stay with me, because today's story might surprise you. Let's travel back in time. In the spring of 1945, the world was slowly catching its breath. World War II was coming to an end, and although victory was close, the United States was still living under the weight of years of sacrifice, rationing, and hard work. Factories that once produced weapons and military supplies were beginning to shift back to everyday needs. Among those needs was money. Simple, small coins used in daily life. It was during this historic moment that a quiet little coin was born at the Denver Mint, the 1945 D. Lincoln Wheat Penny. This penny was made of copper and may have looked simple, but it carried deep meaning. On the front, it featured the familiar and calm face of Abraham Lincoln, a symbol of unity, strength, and leadership during America's most difficult times. On the back, two wheat stalks stood tall, representing growth, hope, and prosperity after years of struggle and war. More than 266 million of these pennies were struck in Denver that year, each marked with a small D below the date. At the time, no one considered them special. They passed from hand to hand, bought newspapers, helped pay for bread, or sat quietly in a child's pocket. To everyone, they were just 1 cent. As the years passed, most of these pennies lived rough lives. They rubbed against keys and other coins, fell onto streets and sidewalks, and slowly lost their shine. Today, many surviving 1945 D pennies appear dark brown, worn smooth by time. These circulated coins are still found in large numbers, and while they can no longer buy anything, collectors may pay a few cents for them. Not because they are rare, but because they are pieces of history. However, not every penny followed the same path. Some of these coins were never spent. A few were carefully saved, placed in jars, drawers, or envelopes, and forgotten for decades. When rediscovered years later, they still carried the warm red glow of fresh copper, almost as if time had passed them by. These untouched coins tell a very different story. Their bright red color, sharp details, and smooth surfaces make them highly desirable to collectors. In top uncirculated condition, especially those with original red color, these rare survivors can sell for hundreds, and sometimes even thousands, of dollars. To collectors, the color of a coin is not just about beauty. It tells the story of how that coin survived time. But the most exciting stories are hidden in mistakes. While minting millions of coins, small errors sometimes occurred, and those mistakes created legends. Some 1945 D pennies were struck off center, leaving part of the design missing, as if the coin slipped during its creation. Others were struck with doubled designs, where letters and numbers appear slightly repeated, creating a shadow-like effect that excites experienced collectors. In some cases, the D mint mark was punched more than once, leaving visible doubling that only sharp eyes can notice. Even rarer are coins struck on damaged or incorrect metal blanks, resulting in clipped edges or unusual shapes. These errors can transform an ordinary penny into a true treasure, sometimes worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In today's market, most 1945 D. Lincoln pennies are still modest in value. A heavily used coin may sell for only a few cents. A clean, uncirculated example might be worth several dollars. But a high-grade red coin or a professionally verified error can change everything. That's why professional grading and authentication are so important. Many marks that look like errors are actually damage caused after the coin left the mint. Cleaning, scratches, or corrosion can destroy a coin's value instead of increasing it. The truth is simple but powerful. Most 1945 D pennies are common, but a few are truly extraordinary. Condition matters more than age, and originality matters more than shine. What truly elevates this coin is its place in history. It was born during the final days of a global war, carried hope in its design, and survived into a modern world where collectors search for meaning in the smallest details. So the next time you hold a 1945 D. Lincoln penny in your hand, remember, you're not just holding 1 cent. You're holding a silent witness to history, a coin that traveled through war, peace, and generations of change. And sometimes, hidden within that humble copper surface, lies a story far more valuable than anyone ever imagined. If you have any old coins at home, simply drop their year and name in the comments, and I'll let you know whether your coin might be rare or valuable. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Treasure Town. Your support motivates us to keep searching and bringing you more rare coin stories and updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.